guys, how you doing? Welcome back to AJ Anime. We are back with another reaction video. Today we have the Eminence in Shadow, looking at episodes 15 and 16 today. So another 2 eps. Excited for this journey. I'm kind of enjoying it. It's going pretty well so far. I'm just watching Sid or Shadow Summer and the girls kind of grow and see how the developing is really cool, and I'm really enjoying it. I'm also liking some of these side characters. Alexia, Iris, I'm really enjoying seeing them and their growth as well, so it'll be quite interesting. We are obviously finding out more, so yeah. But these 2 episodes, do hope you guys enjoyed them. If you do, hit that like button, comment and subscribe, turn on those notifications, get in the comments, do all the good stuff. But look, I'll see you guys at the end for a little review. Let's get it. Okay, Bushing Festival. Okay. Cool, it's lively here though, isn't it? It's very lively. Damn. Okay, the fighters look fierce as well. He'll be strong. Gotta test our abilities here, innit? What must you do exactly? Okay. Let's already conceal the powers through the whole time. Oh! Okay. Okay. The strongest, weakest man. Hey, remember who it is. Oh. A disguise? As what? You want to look a bit more beefy? Ugh. What kind of disguise do you want? They have so many items. Can they change his appearance? It's swishing around a bit too much, ain't it? Nudie, nudie, nudie. Oh, so what sort of face? So you get to choose? So he wants to seem weak. Okay, the strongest weak man. So he wants to seem weak and then just be really strong. He'd look like that anyway though. Okay. Alright, so that's sorted. Can't lie, that's some gadget they've got there. Why are they smiling like that? Alright, let me see the... Oh wow, it came out really well. Jesus. Did you get taller? Hunched shoulders as well. It's actually clicking them, it's making me a bit weird. What about the clothing now? I bet she'll... Yeah. Why does camera always fall over? Oh my god. Anna Rose? Okay. What a presence. Damn. Forget about the Bushing Festival? Hell no. Shouldn't. They changed the voice as well. I know, but she's trying to be nice though. Yeah, it's a good disguise. Oh, he's a monster, isn't he? Look how big he is. Quentin, okay. He's speaking a whole lot. Hey! Hey! That's crazy. Hey, surely no fighting before the... Eee, okay. Surely no fighting before it starts, right? Nanjato. Okay, are we gonna weave? Or he may just take the pounding just because. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. The eyes. Oh. But what are you gonna do? Yeah, I had a feeling he'd just take the beating because he wants to seem weak. Oh my god, Sid going nuts! He's still talking that good shit. That's true. Better for me to get hurt. It's no different. I'm not gonna receive any different damage. He's fine, isn't it? Don't underestimate me. Jana. She finds him interesting, innit? Okay, Anna Rose. This is going to be so interesting. Don't draw too much attention to yourself. Yeah, there you go. Keep it level-headed. So his name Monday Man. Quentin. Okay, him. Oh, Iris competes in this? But Rose? Princess Rose? Well, President Rose, sorry? Yeah, come on, give us all the details. Don't hold back. This guy wants fun so bad. Okay, Rose. I like Rose, I can't lie. Oh. Okay. You do make your friend. To make the world a better place. Okay, Rose. Gotta support Rose with what she does. We're not gonna give her some of the sandwich? Perv ass hat? That's actually her name? But she's different. I rate Rose for that. Going against what's like tradition. I like that. Damn, this is getting a bit dark, innit? Keep believing in me, come what may. Yeah, please say yes. Just say yes. Nice. She needed to hear that. Alright, President Rose. Yeah. She may be my favorite out of the girls, I can't lie. Try to relax a little. Okay, so is this it started now? How much battle data can you collect? Oh my god. Who do you want funds from? Who is that? Goldie Gilded. You're the only one paying attention to him though. Damn. I'm crying of joy. I guess he ain't dead as well. Sid is not interested at all. Oh, okay, Sid. Oh, so it's his match now. His power level 1364. There's battle power in this. Is this Tekken? Battle prowess. You're astoundingly weak. So Sid has to make sure that he wins in a good way. He can't. Damn, 33. We have to style it out so we win and it doesn't look that crazy. Well, it was seconds, but damn. Even the ref saying like stand up. Did he fold him that fast? Monday Man. Match, no one want him to win. So she saw it. If he knew, he would have told you that. Put it against him. Okay. I can't wait to see him go up against him. No. I wonder if she keeping her eye on him. She looks like she's concentrating a whole lot. Don't let him in the room. Damn. To who? Ain't no way she would have done that. Ain't no way Princess... Princess President? Like, Rose would not do that. Surely not. Oh, no. Is there anything at the end? No. Alright, 16. I don't believe that. I can't believe it, though. Something's not right about this. Why is that his name? We can't allow that. Oh, so did you... Oh, did she actually do it and run? Rose? We need to find her. Let's just see what happens. No, just wait for her to come round. Why is Alexia so pressed? Don't kill me. Whoa. You thought they're friends now, innit? Sworn allies. Yeah, something seems wrong. I don't think Rose did anything. Well, her being my favorite, I'd never trust it anyway. You just gotta stay level-headed. Okay, so feed her a little bit. An affair? Damn, his friend's going. He's so into betting. He sounds like me when I want to parlay to. Oh, I haven't had a parlay in a month. Oh my god. Wow. Naruhodo. What are you talking about? So give me some funds, yeah. I'd like some funds, cow. Smell elf? Yeah, what does it matter if I have any... Whoa, why? I mean, all of them are kind of cute in a way. Late sister's daughter? Take off the hood. I mean, take off the hood, let me see. Yeah, exactly. Hold on, let me see. Who? Okay, let's take a good look at her. Oh. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, I feel like she know you lying. Ah! Ooh! Wow. We played it off though, okay. She thought he'd counter. Beatrix, okay. We're holding hands for a long time. You will grow stronger? Yeah, she seems pretty strong. Okay, there's some strong people here. She's one of them as well. What was your name again? Quintonda. Mundane man. You couldn't tell what it was though, so you're not at that level yet. But she saw it. Oh, what a name. So she passed the goddess trial? To be fast enough. But even her eyes couldn't follow? Why are these two talking as if they're like they're friends? I thought he was using an artifact. Oh, come on. The unbeaten legend. He's never lost a single fight. It's crazy. What? So and you've lost every time? Yeah. How has he never lost a fight then? So only fights opponents he can beat. So he's gonna try fight this one. If it was Anna Rose, he wouldn't be on that. Why is he so insistent on an artifact? Let's go. Hey. Oh, so he just want to end it that fast? You better relax. Oh. Ooh. With the momentum, it's taking him back. Why take it out so slow? He could have. Oh. did he have like some like bloodlust kind of thing that made him fall, that he got hit? Look at the way he backed up. Cracked his neck. In it, like how? And how's she able to see all of this? She be seeing too much. Why are your eyes that quick? It has to be coincidence, innit? The way these two are conversating as if they're partners, like. 1 in a million chance, get away from me. He looks so unbothered. Are you talking too much for me? Oh, so is that the real powers? Battle power is 4,330. Just had to flex real quick. How do we... He gonna sneeze? What? Whoa, what just happened? Whoa. Ain't no way he sneezed. He actually lost. He's no longer unbeaten. He sneezed. He sneezed. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Sneeze and swing his sword at the same time. Wow. Every fraction of every second was an opening. Ooh, she Why is she can you stop? You're making me feel weird. Why is she practicing the... I can't even click my neck again. Why is she practicing it? What was that about? Or did she not practice it? I don't understand. Oh, so that's him? It's exaggerated. Iris looks pressed. Okay. His Majesty doesn't seem like he in his right mind though. Whoa, calm down. Iris, calm down, Iris. What's wrong with you, man? Why is he drooling? What's wrong with bro? Another one? Oh, so we just won again? Hell, he's up against Anna Rose next. Odds 9 to 1 is crazy. He's giving me fans. He's not getting the fans. Yeah, god damn. Oh, he beat Quinton? Was that Quinton in the ground? There's a natural. A warning? Innit? Like. Alright, just try me tomorrow and see, innit? Allow me to give you one and say something cold. Hey! Hey! Drop another one! Ah! Oh my god! You keep clicking your neck like that, you gonna... What does that do for you? Good for you. Exactly what she trying to do, honestly. Oh, they found her? Hey! Okay! Run, Rose. She even being nice about it. Hey, Sid, we need to help Rose. Or Shadow Summer, we need to help Rose. I'm trying to help her. She needs our help. I can't lie, this Bushing Festival kind of it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm enjoying the Bushing Festival. I'm not even gonna hold you. Bushing Festival, yeah. I'm enjoying it. Wow, how many episodes are in the season as well? Like, we're getting... Oh wow, so there's not that many more. Okay, so we probably got 2 more weeks, and then we should be on like season 2, maybe 3 more. On the 3rd week we'll be in season 2. Really enjoying this. As I said, it's growing, it's growing, it's growing. Mundane man kind of he kind of tough, right? Oh man, I'm enjoying this. So look, hopefully you guys are enjoying as well. Again, really loving this, and thank you, because people are actually tuning in for this, considering I'm still on season 1. So just thank you for coming through, thank you for enjoying. Continue to hit that like button, comment and subscribe. Let me know that you like it, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy, peace.